Hey guys, Garry Dean, Rapid Ride Rehab. I'm at my new shop today. Nothing is finished as far as getting everything together, as together as it will be. The bills don't stop because you move into a new shop. Yes, that rhymed. It is what it is. So I have to get my things in order while I continue to work. So that's what I'm doing today. I am working on a side skirt, well, two side skirts. There's a BMW side skirt right there, and there's a 2008 Ford Mustang Roush Stage 3 side skirt right there. Let me show you the project and what's going on, and then we'll talk about it a little bit, and then I'll get back to work. All right, so the side skirt and that front piece flew off the car. Guess she hit something in the road. Fender well flew out. She ordered clips. She thought she was going to put it back on herself, apparently, and, well, it's here, so that's not happening. So the car is absolutely gorgeous. I personally prefer Camaros over Mustangs if we were going to have to choose one or the other. For me, it would be a Camaro. However, this Mustang is super cool. It's only got 25,000 miles on it. It's an 08 Roush Stage 3, supercharged, all the things. So the issue, and she's missing that little piece of the grill. I gotta find one of those for her. Looks just like that one. I am gonna be doing a full detail and a one-step polish on the car, cleaning up the wheels a bit and that kind of thing, but the main focus right now is getting this side skirt, well, I was about to say touched up, but really I got to paint the whole thing. She does got a ding right there, and there's one in the door right there. No big deal. So anyway, I got to blend this side skirt and then get it mounted back up. And then I'm going to be, ooh, I didn't notice that. Yeah, or that. So that wasn't, none of this is the plan, unfortunately. So I may see what I can do to touch those areas up, but they're not getting pulled and painted. Not a chance for where we're at. So I got to get this side skirt painted. Looks to be in decent shape. She has new clips. I got to get this fender well reinstalled. And then this thing's getting a complete detail. Wash, clay bar, prep wipe, one-step polish with my amazing, absolutely amazing Rapid One Step. That stuff's awesome, and you can use it in direct sunlight on a 100-degree floor today and still wipe it off with ease. So this is where she's starting. I'll show you a little bit once I'm right now just getting this side skirt all cleaned up. I'm gonna have to more things I didn't see. I'm gonna try to plastic weld that on the inside. So, all right, well, I'm gonna get to work. You know the scope of work, and that is addressing that side skirt and that fender well, and then giving this thing a detail. So I'll bring you back when I got some more to show you. All right, guys, it's several hours later. I'm still working on these. Well, that's the one for the BMW, and that's the one for the Ford, and then that part right there is also for the Ford. So this one is ready for paint and clear coat as soon as I get it cleaned up. It's got sanding dust on it, but it is finished in 600 grit. This, I had to do some plastic welding. So this tab is a very important tab, and it goes in the front, and it was broken off. So I had to plastic weld that back on. It is not the prettiest thing, but it does not matter because it's underneath the car. And I had to plastic weld that corner because it was completely broken. So I plastic welded it and then sanded it pretty good. I'm not going crazy on it. It's got a couple of gouges that could probably be filled. It's not a huge deal. It's a side skirt. And even when I clean this car up, you know, when I do any work, it is based on the level of, I don't know if you'd say quality. Everything I do is quality, but it's the level of effort someone wants to pay for. Unfortunately, that's what business is. And if they want to pay for a little bit of effort, I charge them a little less money. They want me to put in a whole lot more effort. Effort equals time, and time equals more money. So bottom line is, I pulled the wheel off of this side and put it on a jack stand so everything's up. I got the inner fender well in, all brand new clips. It's all scraped up from being drugged down, but I mean, it's still functional enough to serve its purpose. So I got everything tidied up and in there and mounted properly where it's not going anywhere and looks nice. So that part is done. I am going to be cleaning these wheels up really good. You can see they're all pitted and nasty. I'll get that straightened right out, and I'm going to use my new Rapid Beast wheel cleaner to clean up all the nastiness in the wheels. And I'm also going to use that same wheel cleaner on these brake calipers. At this point, I have pulled out all the old clips that were still in the car. I do still need to remove all this double-sided tape, which I'm going to do in just a minute. There's some on the back, some on the front, and once I'm done with that BMW fender, I'm going to end up painting them both at the same, or not fender, but side skirt. I'm going to end up painting them both at the same time. So with that said, I'm going to get back to work. I just wanted to give you an update. I put these are brand new clips in here. Threw them all away, so I got to dig one out of the trash, one of the old ones, because she did not buy enough. Anyway, long story short, I got to grab another one out of there. But other than that, this is ready for paint as well, and that's it. So I'll bring you back when I've got even more to show you. All right, my people, until I get my paint booth built, I paint wherever I can paint, and it will turn out amazing because I'm doing it. These side skirts look awesome. They have 3 coats of clear on them. And they are about dry. They are hanging up there with some heavy-duty fishing line, and as soon as they're dry, I'm going to take them inside overnight, and then I don't think those are going to need a whole lot of cut and buff. I got a couple dust nibs, but other than that, they look really good. Let's see, get this turned around real quick. See if I can get it to turn. Let's see, looks great. The side of the car over here. I mean, those side skirts look better than the car for sure. Still got to pull that adhesive off. And then I'll be putting the side skirt on tomorrow. And then I'll be getting to the detail. So I just wanted to show you, side skirts are painted, everything looks great. Sorry, it's moving. I got a little bit of dryness up in here. I'll probably cut and buff this this piece here, and then just denib that one. But that's all right. I'll get them done tomorrow. I'll bring you guys back when there's more to show. This thing looks pretty cool. Needs a real good detail, which is not where I'm at. I'm polishing the outside, getting these wheels straightened out, and then reassembling the side skirt, and then painting it, obviously. So I'll bring you back tomorrow.